In the case for positive externalities of consumption, merit goods are underconsumed, creating a welfare loss. And the government subsidizes the production of these merit goods, and it costs them this purple rectangle, and the welfare loss is eliminated. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through a subsidy diagram for market failure. Explained simply. Firstly, we need to go through the concept of positive externalities, and these products are always underconsumed. This means that the marginal private benefits are less than the social benefits, meaning that the benefits to the individual is at PE, but society benefits more relative to the individual due to positive externalities and underconsumption. The underconsumption is the distance between marginal private benefit and marginal social benefit, which then gives us an optimum price, which is P-opt, and optimum quantity, Q-opt. And because of the positive externality due to underconsumption, we have a welfare loss. Let's point to the equilibrium here. Because we know the distance between MSB and MPB is the positive externality, and at the equilibrium here, the marginal social benefit lies above the marginal private benefit for all units. So, the market underconsumes at QE relative to the socially optimum output at Q-opt. This creates a welfare loss triangle between MSB and MPB from QE to Q-opt. And in order to promote additional consumption of said product, the government can grant a subsidy. And the goal of this subsidy is to increase quantity to Q-opt. And the easiest way to do this is to give firms a subsidy, which will increase the quantity of production from QE to Q-opt. And similar to the market failure tax diagram, the subsidy in my diagram here is equal to the marginal external benefit. This makes drawing the diagram significantly easier. I have labeled this curve S1 equals MSE equals MPC plus sub. And to explain this labeling, when the marginal private costs is subsidized at equals to the marginal external benefit, this will equal the marginal social cost, which then is what is supplied to the market. And the effects of the subsidy is that at Q-opt, the price paid for the consumers decreases from PE to PC, and the revenue received by producers increases from PE to PP. But remember that this assumes the government sets the subsidy at exactly the level of the positive externality. So the post-subsidy output reaches the socially optimum level of Q-opt, and the external benefit is fully internalized. And lastly, we move on to government expenditure. As you can see, the government spending is the difference between PP and PC multiplied by Q-opt. This is represented in the purple box here. The welfare loss here is eliminated, and the social optimum is achieved. I hope that helped. I hope you guys have a good day. Bye-bye.